We're taking on some Texas style cheesesteaks today, guys. Got a couple of 3-pack ribeye packs from a local HEB, and these are just standard ribeye steaks. I put them in the freezer to just kind of freeze them just a little bit because I'm gonna run them through my 10-inch meat slicer. Shout out Made in Meats. We're gonna run them through this meat slicer, guys. I've got some butcher paper right there just to minimize on the mess and less cleanup, but it still doesn't really matter. You still got to clean the shit out of it. So I started slicing it at the 2.5 just to kind of see and kind of gauge the thickness to see if it was going to work or not. And just showing you there. I ran one of the steaks through there a few times just to get a few test slices. And I'm going spinalis first. Spinalis down. And I'm just going to slice them all the way down like that, guys. But I looked at the thickness and I thought to myself that it might have been a little too thin. That would probably be good for like fried rice or something like that. But I decided to just go back and readjust it to a number 3. And that's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to slice up all 6 steaks at a number 3. Let me go ahead and adjust my my slider tabletop there to get uniform slices, guys. And that's what we're looking at. Nice thickness. I was happier with this. I know the difference is minimal, but it really does make a difference. So, just kind of showing you there what it looks like so far, man. But man, I'm telling you, that 10-inch meat slicer made quick work of all 6 steaks. That's 3 in the bag, and the other 3 are sitting on that butcher paper. I mean, we got it done. I've got some green peppers, some red peppers, some onions in a little tray there. I bagged the meat. I didn't food save it. I just put it in a bag, put it in the same container, and into the fridge overnight. I did the whole meat slicing thing the day before. I didn't want to do all of that the same day. Guys, so we're going to use some more of these Sportsman Blend pellets from Bear Mountain. You saw me use them on the last cook. I've got that hopper filled with a Sportsman Blend from Bear Mountain. Shout out Bear Mountain pellets. Best pellets out there, guys. And you know I had to roll out the recteq smokestone on this cook. Absolutely beautiful cooker. Happens to be my favorite cooker at the moment. I'm using it for everything and anything that you can think of. And it's a nice hot day that day, guys. We're just going to go in with a standard SPG. Sipping Estrella Jalisco. I've got some avocado oil. Can't forget the Cheez Whiz. I'm going to do the best I can on this. I've never done this before. I've seen it done. So we're just going to go ahead and turn on the smokestone. And I want to rock this right at about 400 degrees. And I'm just going to open the Cheez Whiz and put it on that upper rack and just leave it in there. If it breaks, hey man. I tried. Right, but we're just going to get it nice and hot up there in the same jar. Go in with some of this avocado oil. And I'm putting down the meat. Smells absolutely fantastic. Going in with some of that Chud's SPG. Really good stuff there, guys. Didn't over-season it. It's not overly salty. Going down with the veg there. Put some of that SPG on top of it as well. Guys, you know this smells good right now. You can smell it just by looking at it, right? Absolutely just awesome. This thing is cooking. This steak's just about done. And poured some oil on top of those veggies there just to kind of mix them in and cook them down some. Tasted it. Fantastic. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. Again, guys, this is the very first time I've ever done this. I'm not from New York City, so this is my take on it. And it's absolutely fantastic. Right now, I'm just kind of separating a few sandwich preps here. I'm going to throw some of that provolone on top. 2 slices. And I got some of these fresh French breads from HEB, and I cut them in half. And man, these can be about 6 inches long, 7 inches long. And, well, I'm just gonna toast them on the inside before I go in with some of that Cheez Whiz, and I position it on top of the stack there. Guys, let me tell you something. Take a look at this. Push pause if you have to. Look at that. Just look at that. I was tripping, like I was just blown away by how beautiful and delicious this was. I can't stop thinking about it. Like, that's all I want to eat. When I did this, like, that's all I want to make all the time. Like, this is all I want to eat. I'm telling y'all, this was absolutely fantastic. Look, that's my second sandwich. I had enough to make 8. And look at that, man. Come on, look at that deliciousness. Oh, man. I'm telling you right there, guys. It was hot that day. Boy, it was hot outside. And it made it even extra hot just cooking in front of that smokestone. But guys, I'm telling you, this is not the last time I ever do this. I'm telling you. Look at these sandwiches, man. Beautiful sandwiches. Who wants to eat one of these with me? Who wants to eat one of these with me? That's the leftover meat that I had. I wanted to throw some tortillas on there, but I had to wrap up the cook because I was overheated myself. These cold beers weren't helping. Throw some hot water on there, get it nice and clean, avocado oil, shut her down, wipe her down, and she's good for the next cook, guys. It's that easy. And this cook was absolutely fantastic. These sandwiches were absolutely beautiful, delicious. I mean, we're still talking about them. This was done months ago. But again, that's what you get when Texas Twang meets Philly cheese. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.